Hey baby, I'ma go over this is the site or the part to where the people post, alright, and these are the different categories that they posted in. So you go down here, you see life, photography, Steemit, KR, induce yourself, Bitcoin, arts, and so forth. Okay, you will go all the way down, you see the different categories down here. Okay, and we will click on here. That shows you the how much posts were put into the different categories, what the comments was, the amount of the comments, and the amount in which they got paid. So you see, it's a lot of money being put in to different categories. All right, and I'm going to go back up here, and I'm going to go back. All right, so. So when we go down to different titles, like this right here, uh, Easy Hangout number 7, State of Network. That now they got $768 just for one post. And you want to go into it, you just click on here, go into it, and you see the content that was posted. All right, and then after you see it, you see the people posting right here, and you see they post, and he voted. He gave her 7 votes. Okay, this person gave her 7 votes. This person gave her 1 vote. All right, this person right here gave her 3 votes. This is 6 votes and so forth. Okay, so people comment and vote, or sometimes they may just comment and don't vote at all, or they may just follow you. Okay, and for each post you put, you want to put down here. Let me come down here. You want to put down um something to where they can follow you. Okay, so this person trying to read. Let's see, they don't have it where they can someone can follow them, or let me go back. Let me show you an example. So for this one right here, you got a different posts, all right, and you want to go down to. I'm coming down to the end. They have right here their their channel, because in the post you want to put down, please, if you find this post to be viable or enjoyable, please upvote my post. And you want to say, please upvote or restream my post. So when somebody upvote, you get like you may get like 1 cent all the way up to like 8 cents. It depends on the person stream power, like I told you earlier. So if they have like a uh, large stream power, then they can vote more votes. All right, and if the person find your post very attractive, they can restream your post. I mean by restream means to bring your post back up again, um, as it was posted originally. So if you post it like Monday morning at 8 o'clock, come like 1 p.m., your post may be already be at the bottom of the list, already like on the fifth page. Okay, when they restream your post, it's coming right back to the first page. It's like when you just put it out there. All right, love. So that's the features of that. Okay. So I'm going back into my post here, my blog, and I have different posts here already. Okay. And this right here, this is my introduction. I have 31 cent, and I have many votes. So let me click on there. I have, let's see, a second, come down. I have 42 votes. All right, and token girl, she gave me 75 cents. 75 cents that she gave me off of one vote. All right, and this person gave me 2 votes, and they sent me 15 cents. Okay, so you see that the value, of what 1 vote, 2 votes, and so forth. Okay, and you're coming down. So this person just sent out like a message, this post, but they didn't you know they didn't, what's the word, they didn't vote, did the upvote. Okay, and it go on, and that's basically it. So you see on the site, love, that when you do a post, people either vote, comment, okay, we restream it. So, and when you do your first blog post, you want to put your blog post into the introduce myself section. So right here, this is introduce section. So as soon as you put your post here, that right there, okay, when you do it, then people would smile. You see right here, this, the first post, people are making a whole lot of money for the first post. So some people are more fortunate than others. All right, so this, start right here. Start with posting the introduce yourself, and then when you do that, baby, you're going to see your title and the content. So you put the title up here, okay, and this title was right here, and then you want to put your content right here. All right, and at the bottom here, you can select the pictures to go into here, or video content. Select the file and drop it in here. Down here, you got your tags. Tags are the categories that we went over. All right, these are different tags that people are looking into. So you want to pick 5 of these, and you want to drop it in there. You want to just drop it here. So, and then you can, the layout to do that is this: put like lowercase, space, space, space. So these are the 5 categories. So it's up to 5, right? And down here it says rewards. It says power up 100%. So I can change that to 50-50. So 100% will go straight to my U stream, my stream power. 50-50 goes into the U stream. I mean the stream dollars, and also the stream power. So that's what 50-50 would go into. And the last thing I want to point out, baby, when you go to post, you got 2 options. You have the editor version, and you have the markdown version. So let's see. Matter of fact, this is the editor. This is the markdown. Editor, markdown. So when you add the editor options mode, you have bold, italics, and you have the underline. Let's see. Let me click on it. You have, oops, we have the bullets. You have this option. This right here is that right there. Okay. This is to link. If you put text right here, highlight this, and you can link. You can link a website. You can type a website right here, and whatever you want to say, msn.com, and this will go to msn.com. Okay. So whatever text you put here, highlight that, link it to a website, it goes there. Now, if you want to unlink it, you highlight it, click the unlink button, and it unlinks. So let's try that. So you want to link it, and it's back to regular text. This is a clip art. So you type in the clip art to you know what the website or what's the page that the clip art is on. So the normal, you have a normal range, you have large, you have medium, all right, small, so forth. Okay. This is the undo, and this is the redo. And that's basically it. As far as the website, let's see. When I click on, let me click on the HTML. Okay, click on editor. Okay, so the editor codes, something that the raw HTML with these symbols. All right, and HTML colon is what web designers use for designing a website. So they have these codings in here to design or to make their the content certain layouts. Okay, and when things about the HTML code, you can have your bold, your italics. You can space down, and you can make fonts like a large font, like you know like go from 12 points all the way to like 36 points. So that's what you can do for that. Okay, so that's it, baby. That's what they call Streamit. Okay, and if you have any questions, let me know. All right, but let's post their first post. Okay, go to the post it into the introduce yourself. All right, and you want to type in it on the tags right here, and it will be introduce yourself. Okay, here we go right there. So title your story or content, and then you want to post right here. So when you have the title here and content here, this post will become will come up, and then you'll be able to post in here. And then before you post, make sure that this is on either 100% stream power or 50/50 stream power or stream dollars. And that's it, baby. Um, I'm done, and I hope that this clears anything up for you, and that you understand what stream is all about, how to post, and like I said, I'm here for you, love, and let's support each other and make this money, okay? All right, boo boo. So that's gonna be it for Streamit. And when it comes to the affiliate network, I'm going to get back to you on that, on the websites that I want you to go to, so you can sign up for, so that this way you'll be able to get affiliate link as well. All right, love. I'm gonna go lay down, and I'm gonna talk to you later, boo boo. Bye, baby.